Did you know the ride to happiness at Plopsaland, Belgium is much more than just a roller coaster? It's the result of a unique collaboration with the world-renowned music festival Tomorrowland. For a fully immersive 360 degrees experience, use a VR headset to watch this video. The ride to happiness in 360 degrees. The vision was to transform Tomorrowland's magical and euphoric feeling into a ride experience. The name The Ride to Happiness is no coincidence. It symbolizes our journey through life, with all its ups and downs, twists and turns, ultimately leading us to moments of pure joy and happiness, just like this ride. Every launch, every inversion, and the unique, free spinning seats are designed to take you on this musical journey and let you experience a feeling of boundless freedom. It's like a live concert where every moment is unique and you step off the ride with a huge grin on your face. A true piece of Tomorrowland, right here at Plopsaland.
I am the Imperator, the dark side. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Mutti, es geht wieder los. Leute, ich sag euch, macht das nicht, macht das nicht. Macht das nicht. Macht das nicht. Leute. Oh my god. Oh my god.
And just like that, we're back. We've conquered the ride to happiness. I hope in this 360 degrees experience, you could truly feel the pure joy, that happiness we shared. Listen, that's the sound of our happiest moments. A true piece of Tomorrowland. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more theme park videos.